If you are wondering if you can switch to the front camera once you start recording a video on the Xiaomi 17T Pro, then let's give it a try. We're gonna open the camera app and let's switch to the video mode. At first, I'm gonna use the 4K resolution and I'm gonna choose 120 frames per second. Over here we have the option to switch to the front camera. So if I start recording, then over here, as you can see, there is no longer this button that allows me to switch to the front camera. If I switch to 60 frames per second, this option still is not available. Let's also check out 30 frames per second. And yes, now we do have the option to switch to the front camera, as you can see over here. I'm gonna also check the 8K resolution. So if I start recording, unfortunately, the button is gone. Let's also check out the 1080p resolution. We have 30 and 60 frames per second available. If you use 1080p, 60 frames per second, you can still switch to the front camera. There we go. And I assume that with 30 frames per second it also works, and yes, it does. So the answer is yes, but it depends on the resolution and the frame rate that you set up. Leave a like and subscribe.